Welcome! If you've ever wanted to quickly find specific Instagram highlights from a certain time period, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to filter your Instagram highlights by a custom date range using the latest Instagram update. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to filter your highlights. Next, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, at the top right. Tap it to open the menu. From the menu, select Your Activity. This section keeps track of everything you've shared and interacted with on Instagram. Now, scroll down and tap on Highlights under the Content You Shared section. Here, you'll see all your archived highlights in one place. At the top of this screen, you'll spot the Filter by Date option. Tap on it to bring up the filtering tools. Choose Date Range from the available options. This will allow you to set a custom time frame for the highlights you want to see. Now, select your start date, the earliest day you want to include in your search. Then, pick your end date, the last day for the range you want to view. Once you've set both dates, tap Apply. Instagram will instantly filter your highlights, showing only the ones that were created within your chosen date range. And that's it. You've successfully filtered your Instagram highlights by a custom date range. This feature is perfect for finding memories from a specific trip, event, or any special moment you want to revisit. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for making the most of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.